Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I hope you can see my slides. I would just like to ask for the confirmation.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. So PSNC is an ICT research and development center located in Poznań in Poland. And with more than 400 employees, we are doing some research and development in both of software and hardware in domains like science, digital, industry, and society. So basically, our first aim is to an infrastructure center, by which we mean we are delivering computing infrastructure for science, but also for the industry. And with this infrastructure already set up, we are giving our customers and open science community a possibility to run their software, their proof of concept, but also prototypes and large-scale pilots within our infrastructure and within our research and development environment. So then in the future, they can try to commercialize the solution and have a spin-off. In terms of research and development center, we are focusing on ICT and their appliances, and we are bringing the solution to both the science and the industry. And as already mentioned, some of the provided solutions has their own already startups and are being commercialized. The key technologies we are interested and we have experience in is artificial intelligence, is big data analytics, are the computational fluid dynamics solvers to simulate physical complex phenomena, and also Internet of Things. And these solutions are then provided to the cloud or are using high-performance computing infrastructure in case services or applications are computational intensive ones, and have successfully cooperate and introduced our solutions, both software and hardware, to different markets, including automotive ones, manufacturing, agriculture, medicine, or chemical. Within Change2Twin project, we are infrastructure provider, and we are doing some research and, of course, providing solutions in three key areas. The first one is the cloud. So by the cloud, we mean that we are able to host your services, which can be computational driven or data driven or both. In case you have some scenario that's more computational intensive, then we are able to share with you our high performance computing infrastructure. And last but not least are the services related to the data. So if you have any large data-driven case, or you would like to have some reliable backup or replication of this data or long-term archiving requirement, then we are happy to assist you with this kind of services. So speaking in details regarding the cloud computing, our offer is to provide you with infrastructure as a service, which means that you can receive computational resources and storage resources, which are orchestrated by open source solutions such as OpenStack and OpenShift. So in the end, you can receive virtual machines, computational machines that are running in the cloud, and you can install your software and offer the services of your choice. But you're also able to receive a private cloud. So in the end, you will be able to administer your virtual machines, and you can then create the virtual machines by your own. And also this infrastructure as a service cloud computing is provided in the Change2Twin project, and it is used not only by the cases and the pilots, but also with the aforementioned middleware Roman from Cloud Broker just presented. If your case is somehow more computational intensive, like you are using some solver or computational fluid dynamic solver, then we can offer you access to our supercomputer, which is listed in top 500 most powerful computers in the world. But in the same time, it's also on the list of top 500 most energy efficient supercomputers. It is equipped with CPUs, of course, but also it comes with GPUs in case you are using or you want to use a solver that exploits GPU accelerators. Last but not least is the data storage. So in case your product will benefit from by providing an I/O demanding services, or you would like to just have a short or maybe long-term backup or storage solution, then this is also a way to go. So to summarize in a nutshell, besides providing high-performance computing capabilities and data storage for your services and applications, we are able to also give you some specialized services, such as already mentioned CPUs and GPUs, when you would like to have an efficient application running and exploiting parallel processing. You can be given infrastructure as a service for cloud computation and for the services that you would like to have on the cloud. In case you are more interested in receiving hardware resources as a container in the cloud, then we also have this kind of solutions, which we call high performance computer as a service, or GPU as a service. And we can also bring you some experience with artificial intelligence by providing you with a dedicated right environment. Also, we have dedicated services that support big data analytics, and last but not least is the quantum computing. Yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you. And if you have any question, then I'm happy to answer during the Q&A. Thank you.
Thank you, Mika.